Looks about right. One. It's like you never know what I'm going to do in the future. Bum diddle bum diddle bum diddle bum. Bum diddle bum dim bum ha ha. Okay, and then high precision accuracy ish. If these tips line up, I need this one to be right here. That looks pretty darn acceptable. One puppy, two puppy. I might want to look that up. Just gonna hit those high spots. Just get those high spots. Chips out of there. There's a better view. Want to push that? I don't want to push that. Not much, just a little bit.
So there you go. This is made for a friend of mine who's getting married. He actually came up to me with the idea and said, hey, have you ever thought about doing this? And I thought, no, that's an awesome idea. So yeah, whipped this out. Really kind of a fun idea for a wedding present. And he was able to take it to the wedding and everyone could sign it and put some memory in there. And I think it's a really cool idea. So I'm going to seal it all for him and give it back to him, and he can hang it up on the wall and have it for the rest of their marriage. So I like the idea, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Throw those down below. Anytime you do that, then it does actually help out the channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know how all that works. It really does help us get in front of more people. But if you want to take it even farther and really help out Wood by Wright, we are completely sponsored by you guys. And without you, we wouldn't be here. So all of these people over here, they are financially supporting the channel through Patreon. Between patrons and members and people who just hit the thank you button down below, you guys are really helping us out and helping us do things like this regularly. So if you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do. I think I'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I'm not quite sure why, but the bottom of this thing makes me think about the Declaration of Independence. Kind of an odd thought to have for a wedding.